One is a biggest question: who will be president? President Trump or Kamala Harris? So this is $1 million question. Prediction is very difficult. At one hand, Donald Trump is very strong. Other hand, Kamala Harris has its own repute, and she was working politicians since many years, and she is able to convince the Americans by amicable and tenacious way. But I will give the vote to Donald Trump. Donald Trump will be the president of the USA in my opinion. My prediction, even I am not much in favor of Donald Trump, but I have to tell you realistically that who will be the president after 100 days elections, upcoming elections of America. Why Donald Trump will I am selected as a president? There are multiple reasons. Donald Trump is a task oriented individual, mean he select one target and then he do all things to achieve that target. That target is wrong or right, that is definitely there is no concern about that. Even the target he has selected, I am not in favor of that target. Which target he has selected? He selected if against Biden, against Kamala Harris. He is not going to change his strategy. He will follow strategy until elections. And until now, he is very successful. When the opponents almost thought that they are loser, so shooting incidents also happen. When shooting incidents happen in any upcoming president or presidential election holder, it means he is doing right thing. That's why people opponents are unhappy. So Donald Trump, which topic he has selected, due to which he became very popular, very famous once again. When once he has left president and he was not president after his tenure of president, when Biden was president, he was in a very transitional phase. I was not looking that he will come once again. He was almost talking that I will come again, but I was not in a favor that Donald Trump will come again. I don't know how he used his magical words, tricky words, and speaking attitude, and to convince the Americans. Now I think he is becoming a super leader of USA in these days. If anybody asks who is the best leader currently now in USA, I will say Donald Trump. Kamala Harris, definitely she has, as I told you, she has done a lot of things in last government with the Biden. Technically, Biden was a little ill, and all works were being advised or counseled by Kamala Harris. So Kamala Harris actually was actually president, or you can say assisting president. So she was president also in the era of Biden, but Donald Trump looking very powerful. Although CNN telling 50-50 ratio, but I say no. That are mathematically ratios. The physically, metaphysically you can say they are 50-50, but if you say realistically, physically, Donald Trump has a brilliant chance to win this election. Reason, the topic I tell you which is selected. What a way to win the election. What a procedure to win the election. What a strategy. I think this is a learning for all people who fight election. He did not involve much in other topics. He selected only one topic, and that topic pulled him up, and all were in social media, in their national media, in all over the world. Donald Trump is famous in good words or bad words. Migrants are naming Donald Trump in bad words. US citizens are naming Donald Trump in the form of hero. They said he is our hero. Reason, because he is talking about US citizens. He is not talking about illegals. He is not talking about illegals, migrants. He is a straightforward policy, very bold policy. Even I did not like that policy. I recorded a session that saying this word, that quit all undocumented individual, quit all illegal migrants, go back to homes. Undocumented individuals will be sent back. We will not allow any individual to cross over border. I have one question. America can do that thing. I have a question to you. America can remove all illegals in one day. They are not able to quit illegals since many years. Since start of America, illegals are coming, and they are getting green card as well. Second question, they can close in one day the people crossing border. No, Donald Trump knows this thing. That's why I am selecting him. He knows. He knows that I cannot do this. He knows whatever I'm talking about, undocumented, all individuals will go back from America. This is the word. Undocumented, you took over jobs of the black people. This is the statement of the Donald Trump. I am not going to listen, whoever you are. Your brother is US citizen, your mother is US citizen, whatever the status is. You are undocumented for me, you are illegal for me. I don't want to see you. The words of Donald Trump. Donald Trump knows that he cannot kick out illegals in one day, even in 1 year, even in his tenure. I am telling you, Donald Trump knows these things. But why Donald Trump is very serious, and Donald Trump thinks that I will be able to win election by these stances. These are political statements. He knows what he will say after election. So this is a Donald Trump before elections, then Donald Trump will come after elections. He has so magical words. God has given huge power of magical words to convince others. I was dictating convincing skills in one session. I think Donald Trump is one of the best person who can convince others, and he is convincing his voters in a much nice way, a beautiful way. I will tell you, there is no problem of Donald Trump. Whatever Donald Trump will say, the people will accept. How they will accept, I will tell you. Before election, he will keep telling this thing. You people was giving favor to illegal migrants. You people are favoring illegal migrants. You people are not favoring legal migrants. You are not good people because you are not thinking about US citizens. US citizens, he is gaining votes of US citizens. Remember, he is a so technical, intelligent human in this world. He knows that US citizen will give him vote. So he's speaking about illegal migrants. So this is the topic he has selected. After election, he will say, I tried my best, but this is this huge problem created by Biden. Biden tenure, he allowed illegals into country, and he was making compensation laws for illegal. He was going to compensate illegals. These compensation deteriorated me, my commitment, and I am not able to kick out all undocumented. Similar, he will be giving favor little a bit to some illegals, and he will deport some illegals, same as Biden was doing. But look at the strategy. The work, same work he will do as Biden was doing. Biden was doing same thing, but Biden marketing team technically was marketing favor with illegals more and disfavor with illegals less. Mean that if he announce that I am favoring some illegals, that will be all over the world, even CNN International, and Donald Trump will also listen. But when he will say, when someone will say to Biden that when the Biden will announce that across the border I am increasing the security, across the border I am increasing security, and when he will say that I am not going to I am deporting some illegals, and illegals are not good, nobody will deport in the media. Reason I tell you, because media actually took a image in the mind that Biden favored illegal. And who did that? That's the strategy of Donald Trump. Donald Trump so much active in media that he by genuine way convinced the media and the US citizens that Biden is the friend of the illegal migrants. How he did? By using magical words. For example, I tell you, Biden announced a package, and you know a lot of packages he announced, he was announcing on weekly basis, monthly basis. When he announced that illegals whose wife or husband or brothers or sisters are US citizens, even they are deported back to home country, I am going to invite them. So actually he is doing right thing. Donald Trump will do also right thing. Reason I tell you, because when Husband is in USA, wife is in Pakistan, wife is in USA, wife is in other European countries, wife is in India, wife is in Europe. What will happen? That Donald Biden or Donald Trump, whoever the president is, he will invite relationship, that relationship individual to USA. Reason I clearly tell you, because husband is a top doctor and he performing very good job in hospitals, and he will not be mentally satisfied. His all work is stitched with his wife. When wife will come, he will work more better. He will be able to serve more better than USA. Wife is undocumented. Even in wife is in USA, or husband in the USA, he is undocumented. But wife is a very well educated and working in a top superficial position in the companies, in the hospitals, in departments of the USA. So what USA will do? USA will give green card to his companion or her companion. US has to give, because US will not think to lose that potential person, professional person who is earning $1 billion for him. So how Donald Trump's statement could be right, that take out all undocumented individual. America still using transitional phase. America still will be using transitional phase even after winning Donald Trump. And transitional phase will be that he will think that some illegals who are useless, uneducated, criminal, are 100% useless for America. America will ask them to deport. Similarly, some Americans which have qualification but they have no job, they may be given chance, and Biden did that. Similarly, if you have your relationship in USA and US citizen, and she or he is working in a very enthusiastic mode and will serving the USA, they may be given green card. So similar things are currently happening. Nothing will happen. Illegal migrants moved up Trump president. After that, illegals will finish and Trump will be the president. Where are US citizens? Where are the discussions of the US citizens? Where are the discussions of students of the United States? Where are the discussions of, I did not see discussions of health sector. If you are fighting elections, both presidents did not talk about much. They did talk, but not much. Where is the health sector? Where are the engineers? Where are the green card new schemes, lottery schemes, etc.? Where are the taxes? Taxes play a significant role in all countries. Where are the discussion of the taxes? There is no discussion of the taxes. Where are the discussion of especially the children's educations are very important in all countries. Where are the discussions of the employment ratio of the US citizens? Where are the discussion of housing sectors in USA? Housing sector becoming very significant topic in Australia, United Kingdom, and Canada. So where is the discussion of the housing sector? There is no any discussion of the housing sector. So currently, if I will analyze as a whole, actually immigration is being used as a tool to win election in USA, and the person who is able to better speak about immigration, especially he will speak against illegal migrants, and with evidence, with proof, like a criminal act, or they are using our resources and they are using our jobs. They are killer, they are parasite, they are killing us, they are using our blood, they are eating our blood, they are eating meat of US citizens. And US citizens definitely, when say that we will shift to shelter home and call these migrants to our homes, when one woman, US citizen, will say, who will catch? The Donald Trump will catch this statement. And that's why I think Donald Trump was able to convey his message of illegal people by a very right way. So I think target achievement finishes to Donald Trump. How to achieve the target, he knows, because he is not the politician only, he is the businessman. When you are a businessman and when you need to develop change in the world, you definitely, his chain, food chain is very famous throughout the world. In even developing country, people are paying money If he can take money from people of developing country, you just think, if he can pay money, if can take money, sorry, he can take money from the developing country, how he is not able to convince only one country people? It means that he is able to convince throughout the world, mean that his food chain is present throughout the world. He convinced people, even Muslims, non-Muslims, whatever the food, halal, non-halal, you have to eat my food chain, and people convinced, and that became brand. So if he is able to convince all humans of the world, so US citizens, no problem. But I will little bit criticize. Election winning is something else. Serving people something else. If election winning campaign is the part of the Donald Trump against illegals, but I think he should think about US citizens as well. And when he will win, or Kamala Harris will win, they must think about their citizens. If they will leave their citizens, they will definitely capture them, and they will start same words as they were talking against Biden, and they became little bit rebellion during era of Biden. Thank you very much.